guys, today we're gonna do a microscope video. Look at the microscope. So I got this microscope from Christmas. So I wanted to do it with you, but I did one before. So let's get started. So I need to turn on the lights. I'm gonna turn on the bottom light, but it's better. I'm gonna turn on this light, the top light. This is the top light and this is the bottom light. So I'm gonna do the top light. Propolis, cinnamon. So let's get started. We need to carefully slide it in. So, do you know what these are for? But these are for holding the stuff that is on the middle, the clear stuff. So, whoa! It's so cool. My dad is using a smartphone, and is that really cool? I want to see it again because it's really, really cool. So let's do cinnamon. So I'm gonna put it over here when I'm done with it. Whoa! So cool, guys, right? Whoa! So I'm done with this. So I'm gonna put that next to the but I did this off camera too. Yeast. And I have the brain shrimp eggs. So I'm gonna do brain shrimp eggs. Not a lot. So I'm gonna clean it up, guys. Even if it's spilled, I'm gonna clean it up. I think I did this before, but I forgot what it looks like. So don't forget, I'm gonna write these later and this one too. Whoa! Let's see. You see now. Cool, guys. Isn't that cool? So, okay, guys. Now we're gonna do the yeast. So where's the yeast? So this is the picture of the yeast. So this is the last one, and I'm gonna say goodbye to you, okay? We're just gonna put a little bit, not a lot. That was a little bit too much. So this is the gonna clean up after this. Whoa, that is so cool. Look. So, cool, guys. So interesting. Okay. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So this is the end of the video. Give me likes and subscribes and ring the bells. Bye!